Okay, cool. Now I will gonna explain to you in this video what is this. This is lighting, yes, of course you know, but all the interesting fairy tales about the lighting, what has been developed there actually by the YouTube influencers who teaches us that we need lighting and this lighting, and here is the tutorials about how to use lighting and which directions. Let me just break it down very easy for you guys. If you are the new YouTube channel maker, new I mean somebody up till 1000 subscribers, forget about the lightings. Right now I'm not using this lighting, okay? I do have the lighting, but this is not for now because I don't want you to be any different from what I am, okay? So I use the light what I got in my room. You can do absolutely the same. I don't have special camera. I use my iPhone. This is iPhone, okay? So yes, I do got the background, but that background stays there because it's just I have it, but you don't need that background. You can turn your camera. You see, I will gonna turn my camera on another wall. You see, that's the background, and that's another wall right there with the AC on the top. Okay, so you can use that wall. This is the real wall. What you need to be concerned about is what you put in the video, because when you start out video channels, you don't know if your video channel will gonna work out. Why would you invest in equipment if you don't know if this will gonna succeed? Think about the business. Have you ever did the business? And I did those stupid mistakes when I was young. When I did my first businesses, I thought I need the suit, I need the office, I need all sorts of equipment, and then I go into the business. This is the most stupidest thing what you can imagine to do. Or you want to just quit your job and you want to use YouTube as a option for you to have a full-time income. I promise you, if you stay away from the mainstream gurus out there who teaches you use this, use that, do that, and all the affiliate links below the video, you will succeed in 3 months. In 3 months you will make YouTube channel as I'm making right now, 10 subscribers. Thank you, subscribers. I have 10 subscribers right now, but this is developing. Remember I told you, process in progressive way. It's not going like this. It goes the process. We have to go through the process to develop the progress. And this is exactly what I am showing you by putting myself in a process. Lighting does not matter. Microphones does not matter. Backgrounds does not matter. Message matters. Message what you give there. Jesus came down from above to the earth to walk with the people. He walked the talk and talked the walk. You will not gonna find many YouTubers out there, Christian YouTubers, non-Christian YouTubers, doesn't matter, who walk the talk, who talk the walk, who does the same what I'm doing right now, developing YouTube channel in front of you on a table and say, hey, come on, I will show you what I do every day, that you could understand how it develops till 1000 subscribers. Nothing about lighting. No, this is about the value, what you put in there. Lighting you're gonna put later after 1000 subscribers. This is so important to understand that you don't need to invest unless you confirmed by YouTube and you got this inner confirmation that yes, I think this is my way to go. This is the way Lord is calling me to go and to make it. There are no need for investment in things that you don't know. Test the waters first and only then invest. Do not invest a penny before you test the waters. Be blessed and see me on the next video.